Hey guys, it's Tony. I've been getting a lot of questions recently, today and yesterday, about where I think Bitcoin and Ethereum are going right now. I think that Ethereum is actually going up to 39.87, and I think that Bitcoin is actually going to go back and retest 48.7 to 1. Bitcoin is actually responding pretty well to bear pushes on the downside, right? So we had that bear trigger created earlier today around 9 in the morning, and we've been selling off ever since the peak of like 50K or so, right? So, and I actually think on the 4-hour, you can see Bitcoin still generating bigger candles on the upside, while the 1-hour is actually still pretty bearish, right? It's just going to be closing a bear candle on the hour in the next like 9 minutes or so. I really doubt that Bitcoin creates like a huge push to the upside within 9-10 minutes or so, right? I think that right now Bitcoin is headed down to 48.7 to 1, possibly around that area, just right here to like retest before moving to the upside. But I do think Ethereum is actually on its way to hitting $39,000. Whoops. I do think Ethereum is on the way of hitting 39. What is that? 39.87. We actually created that the last bear trigger. Nothing happened. It got completely nulled and canceled out, and then Ethereum just kept running to the upside. And right now, on that bear trigger that got created from on September 20. So yesterday at, what is that, like 10 o'clock at night? It's been trading sideways. I mean, if it was actually trading down and consistently going lower, then I would be worried. But Ethereum is actually trading sideways, and what's actually going to happen? It looks like within the next couple of hours, Ethereum might actually be closing a bullish 4-hour candle to the upside, and I do think we're going to be overbought or overextended on the stochastic. And you guys know how much crypto loves running on overextensions on the stochastic, while the reverse MACD is giving bull triggers, right? At least I think Ethereum is going to beat out Bitcoin in reaching that next level tier. Like I said, I do think Ethereum is headed for $39,000, or sorry, I do think Ethereum is headed for 3,900, and I think there's a very big chance that Bitcoin actually pushes back down to like 48,700, like around that area. So right now, Ethereum versus Bitcoin, I think Ethereum is going to be leading in the next couple of days or so. That's just, that's what the TA is showing me. Just showing me that right now, Bitcoin is actually responding to bear triggers or bear pushes on the downside. A lot of bear momentum, while Ethereum is actually not responding to bear momentum, and it's just kind of trading sideways. It's not really pushing down at all. So Ethereum to 3,800 plus, Bitcoin possibly down to like 48.7 to retest, and then possibly move to the upside if Ethereum actually hits 3,900. So for Bitcoin to like catch up to it. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.